Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wild world of cars and the hilarious misconceptions that many non-car people have about them. You know, those myths that make car enthusiasts chuckle and shake their heads in disbelief. From the idea that premium gas makes your car go faster to the belief that all cars are just a way to get from point A to point B, we're here to set the record straight. We'll be debunking some of the most common car myths that might have you scratching your head or laughing out loud. Ever heard someone say that a car's color affects its speed? Or that you should always warm up your engine for 10 minutes before driving? Spoiler alert, it's time to bust those myths wide open. Understanding these misconceptions is crucial, whether you're a die-hard car enthusiast or just someone who occasionally hops in the passenger seat. Not only will it help you navigate conversations with your car-loving friends, but it'll also save you from some pretty funny faux pas. So buckle up, because we're about to take a joyride through the world of car myths and set the record straight. Misconception number 1. All cars are the same. Let's tackle the myth that all cars function similarly and have the same features. If you believe this, you might as well think that all sandwiches are just bread with the same filling. In reality, cars come in a delightful variety of shapes, sizes, and purposes, just like sandwiches come with everything from peanut butter to pastrami. First up, we have sedans. These are your reliable, everyday cars that get you from point A to point B without any fuss. Think of them as the plain bagel of the car world, dependable but not exactly thrilling. Then, there are SUVs, the towering giants that make you feel like you're driving a tank. They're perfect for those who want to feel invincible while navigating the grocery store parking lot. And let's not forget about sports cars. These sleek beauties are like the spicy jalapeno poppers of the automotive world, fast, flashy, and definitely not for the faint of heart. Each type of car is designed with different features and purposes in mind, proving that not all cars are created equal. So, the next time someone says all cars are the same, just smile and remind them that variety is the spice of life, and the road. Misconception number 2. Premium gas means better performance. Let's clear the air about the belief that using premium fuel automatically enhances a car's performance. It's a bit like thinking that wearing a tuxedo to the grocery store will make you a better shopper. Sure, you'll look sharp, but it won't help you find the best avocado. Fuel grades vary, with regular, mid-grade, and premium options available. Premium fuel is designed for high-performance vehicles that require higher octane to prevent knocking. Think of it as the fancy coffee that only your espresso machine can handle. But for most everyday cars, regular fuel does the job just fine. Using premium in a car that doesn't need it is like putting a gourmet topping on a plain bagel, totally unnecessary and a waste of money. For example, popular models like the Honda Civic or Toyota Camry run perfectly on regular gas. They're like that friend who shows up to a party in jeans and still manages to steal the spotlight. So, before you start pouring premium into your tank, check your owner's manual. You might just save yourself some cash and avoid the misconception that premium fuel is the magic potion for better performance. Misconception number 3. You can just fill it up with any oil. Let's dive into the myth that you can use any type of oil in any car. This belief is as misguided as thinking you can substitute ketchup for marinara sauce in a gourmet pasta dish. Sure, it's technically a condiment, but the results will be less than appetizing. Using the correct oil type is crucial for your engine's health. Different engines require specific oil viscosities and formulations to function optimally. Think of it like choosing the right medicine for a cold. Using the wrong one could lead to a whole lot of trouble. Mixing oils can lead to sludge buildup, reduced lubrication, and even engine failure. It's like trying to mix oil and water. Spoiler alert, it doesn't end well. For instance, synthetic oils are great for high-performance engines, while conventional oils work well for older models. Then there's high-mileage oil, specifically designed for cars with over 75,000 miles on the clock. Each type serves a unique purpose, just like different spices in a recipe. So, before you grab that random bottle of oil from the shelf, remember, your engine deserves the right fuel to keep running smoothly. Treat it well, and it'll treat you well in return. Misconception number 4. Bigger cars are safer. Let's tackle the notion that bigger cars are always safer than smaller ones. This belief is as flawed as thinking that wearing a giant foam finger at a sports game makes you a better fan. Sure, it's big and noticeable, but it doesn't guarantee you'll catch the winning touchdown. Safety ratings vary widely among vehicles, regardless of size. Just because a car is larger doesn't mean it's automatically safer. In fact, some smaller cars come equipped with advanced safety features that can rival those found in their larger counterparts. Imagine a tiny car zooming around with more airbags than a bouncy castle. Now that's a safety party. For example, many compact cars now include features like automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. These technologies can help prevent accidents, making them just as safe, if not safer, than larger vehicles. Picture a scenario where a massive SUV is barreling down the road, but it lacks modern safety tech, while a nimble hatchback is equipped with all the bells and whistles. Who do you think would fare better in a pinch? So, the next time you hear someone say that bigger is always better when it comes to safety, remind them that it's not the size of the vehicle, but the technology and ratings that truly matter. Misconception number 5: manual cars are always more fun. Let's challenge the idea that driving a manual transmission is inherently more enjoyable than an automatic. Sure, there's a certain charm to shifting gears like a pro, but it's not all sunshine and rainbows, especially when you find yourself stuck in bumper-to-bumper traffic. Picture this: you're in a manual car, and every time you inch forward, it's like a game of musical chairs, except the music never stops. Manual transmissions do offer a sense of control and engagement that some drivers love. You can feel the power of the engine as you shift through the gears, and there's a certain satisfaction in mastering the art of the clutch. However, let's not forget the downsides, like the dreaded hill start, where you're praying your car doesn't roll back into the car behind you while you fumble with the clutch. On the flip side, modern automatic transmissions have come a long way. With features like paddle shifters and sport modes, they can be just as engaging as manuals. Plus, you can enjoy your favorite playlist without worrying about shifting gears. Talk about multitasking. So, whether you prefer the thrill of a manual or the convenience of an automatic, remember that fun comes in many forms, and it's all about what makes you feel alive on the road. Thanks for joining us on this ride through the world of car misconceptions. Today, we debunked several myths that can lead to confusion and costly mistakes. We tackled the idea that all cars are the same, clarified that premium gas doesn't always mean better performance, and emphasized the importance of using the right oil. We also challenged the belief that bigger cars are always safer and questioned the notion that manual cars are inherently more fun. Understanding these facts is crucial for both car enthusiasts and everyday drivers. Knowledge about your vehicle can lead to better car ownership, saving you money and enhancing your driving experience. After all, who wouldn't want to avoid the embarrassment of mixing oils or filling up with premium gas when it's not needed? If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, we'd love for you to subscribe to our channel for more entertaining and informative content. Don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends, because everyone deserves to know the truth about cars. Let's keep the conversation going in the comments below. What car myths have you heard that we didn't cover? We can't wait to hear your thoughts and keep debunking those misconceptions together.